Termibusters proudly presents the Termibusters Ant Coffin, a quality Australian innovation. Installation is in 4 easy steps. First, remove ant coffin from packaging and read all the instructions carefully before proceeding with installation. Next, unscrew the tube containing the ant elimination bait and pour into the tray. Then, mix a few drops of water in with the ant elimination bait to form a paste. The ant coffin works by luring black ants into the bait tray. Worker ants then take the bait to the heart of the nest, having a devastating effect on the colony, eliminating larvae, worker ants and the queen. Finally, secure the lid and place ant coffin along ant trail or near ant activity. Your Termibusters ant coffin is now ready to use. Place indoors or outdoors and out of reach of children and pets. Any hassles? 789 140 or visit termibusters.com.au. We hope you have an ant-free day.